All right, so it's 6:48 in the morning right now, and I know a lot of people, from what I see, a lot of people have not seen snow, and my kids haven't seen snow. Jill and I have seen snow, but my kids haven't. But I just wanted to show, this is how it starts accumulating, and we actually have snowflakes, and I'm gonna try to get some pictures here. They're absolutely beautiful, but I'll post those in a minute. But this is how it starts accumulating. It is really starting to fall down really heavy right now, and it is absolutely amazing to see it just stick to the ground. And it's like 25 degrees, but the real feel here is about 17 or 16 degrees. So we'll see how it turns out. Here's some more I'm trying to capture for you guys. Check this out. Oops, sorry for moving that around a lot. Look how beautiful they are. That's so cool. Man, God's creation is great. I love sharing this with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy.